Hi guys, it's your girl Rachel checking back in with another video. Today we are doing a product review. I was able to receive this wonderful Good Molecules package and I wanted to do a review and reveal with you guys. So let's open it up. This is such a pretty package. See a difference in your skin. I love that. The colors are really pretty. These are all the items that I received. First, we have an overnight exfoliating treatment. So this is what you're going to use at night. It's like a serum over your face, a cute little treatment. Then we have a brightening toner. This toner is what you want to use after you have cleansed your skin and you just want to put it all over just to close your pores. Next, we have a discoloration correcting serum. This goes after your toner. This is great for hyperpigmentation as well as any kind of spots. Last, we have an ultra hydrating facial oil. This is super cute. They also came with a card that has all the steps from 1 to 5 on how to use each product and which one comes next. So you have your cleanse, your tone, your treatment, your moisturizer, and last we have our SPF that you want to add. You see my skin right now, this is the current state of it. Dry with hyperpigmentation. I have some acne scars and it just needs some love and tender care. I'm going to start with my brightening toner. And this is what I'm going to use now because I just cleaned my face. And it says that you can apply with your hands or you can use a cotton pad. I prefer to use a cotton pad. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the pad and tap it into my skin, making sure that I focus on my areas that need it the most, as well as make sure that it seeps into my pores to help close them and just give it a few nourishment that it really needs. See all the dirt that came off my face? And this was even after I washed it. Next, I'm going to go in with my discoloration serum. And this is going to be wonderful for the hyperpigmentation and the acne scars. Using it regularly. I just applied a little bit to my face and just massaging it in. Making sure that it gets into all the areas that are my target areas that I need the most treatment at. Last, we're going to use our ultra hydrating facial oil. It says just apply a few drops into your hand and just pat it into your skin and let it seep in. This felt so nice. The oil was pretty thick, but it went on very nice and my skin felt super supple after applying it. I wanted to make sure that I made sure that all the oil was in all the areas that we tend to miss, like our forehead, under our eyes, our neck. As you can see, the before and after. This is the before and this is the after doing the treatments and applying the oils. My skin already looks a lot better and healthier. My skin feels super hydrated. Oh, it feels so good right now. I'm loving the way my skin is just looking. Y'all see that glow? Like, I know y'all see that glow. It's Good Molecules is giving good vibes. I'm here for it, okay? I am really liking the way my skin is just looking. And this is with absolutely a bare face. It's fresh, hydrated. It's just giving skin. It's giving skincare. So I am excited to see what happens next with using these products. I'll be using these products over the course of about 2 to 3 weeks. I am super grateful for Good Molecules for sponsoring this care package in this video. I am excited to continue using these products and hope that they help with any skin issues that I'm currently facing and any that may arise in the near future. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful and happy holidays, and I cannot wait to share with you guys other good news and other videos coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video as well. See y'all next time.